Another watch company new to my radar. Let's get a bird's eye view of the FLUX Quadras Silverstone. I'm Ross. Thanks for tuning in. I've had some fun with this one for the last couple of weeks now. The specs are reasonable, good looks, great build, a casual dress design that will have you or your friends making comments for sure. Best part, it feels good on the wrist. A great option for an everyday wear. And wait till you hear about the bracelet too. Super cool feature here that you don't see every day. Stick around. It has that TV-shaped screen dial under that crystal with the custom steel-shaped case and a luxury vintage vibe. Open for pre-order online at FLUXWatches.com. Now, speaking of luxury, today's sponsor is Daily Watch. If you're in need of watch accessories, watch stands, watch cases, hard or soft, personalized stuff where you can get stuff embossed, then you know what? Along with stands, custom cleaning kits, things like that, all different types of accessories. Even some different designs of watches as well are available. dailywatch.com. I'll leave a link down below. You can get 10% off at your leisure with the promo code that's attached there at the bottom in the description. Thanks for all the support, Daily Watch. Now, this Silverstone design is a 41mm case made with 904L stainless steel. A little wide across the wrist at 51mm, so be cautious about that. That might be a little bit of a headache for some people, but we'll see. It does have a 20mm lug. However, it only has 70 meters of water resistance, which, I mean, it is like a casual dress design, so you're not going to be jumping in the pool or the ocean with this thing on. Now, that dial, it's got that white enamel dial they call modern fleek or whatever it is. It reminds me of the Star Wars ships when they go and blast off into hyperspace. That's what it looks like with that like sunburst design. Nice and clean with that Flux logo at the 12, and that's it. No text other than Swiss made splitting the 6 down below. Applied elevated indices around the dial. Now, this movement is Swiss made. Automatic movement custom Le Jeu Paré caliber G101 with custom rotor, hacking seconds, and sapphire crystal exhibition case back. So you can see this thing back there. It's pretty smooth. This one's on the silicone rubber, and it's nice. Reminds me of Micro Mil-Spec strap. It's pretty tough, durable, with that great flex and soft feel on the wrist. And the wrist gets that wraparound feel from this strap. Really good. Feels supported. Now, one of the stars of the show is the bracelet. Even though it's not on this one so that I can wear it and fit with the sizing, I prefer the strap myself. That's just my personal opinion. You're going to have to comment below and let me know what you think, though, as far as the strap option you choose. But this thing's awesome. It is a tool-less adjustment link removal. Push the button and remove as necessary for whatever adjustment sizing you need. When was the last time you saw that? Also, push button quick release for the lug connection as well. I love the engineering that's gone into this watch design. It's fantastic. Now, maybe a little bit cost prohibitive for some. It's coming in at $2,800 online at FLUXWatches.com. But believe me, along with this casual dress look, it feels great on the silicone rubber. And I would imagine it probably feels okay too. Unfortunately, that bracelet for me doesn't work for me. It's butterfly, it's spring loaded. There's a lot of things that I'm not really liking about it, even though it does have that quick release for the removal of the links for sizing. But the good thing is that if you're like me and you don't fancy the butterfly strap, you can just swap it out and you're good to go. This could be very well your next casual dress design. Available in white, red, blue, and black dials as well. Now, I'm Ross. Thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate all the support. Do all those fancy things, and we'll see you on the next one. Yeah, that's the FLUX Silverstone with that white dial. I like it. I like it. Engineered to elevate quality components. It's right there on the website, actually. I'm looking right at it.